Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to create dashboards in Canva quickly and easily. No complicated software or technical skills required. Whether you're tracking business metrics, personal goals, project progress, or social media analytics, Canva has you covered. Let's jump right in and turn your data into something beautiful. Start by logging into your Canva account and typing dashboard into the search bar. You'll see a range of templates from minimalistic to dynamic designs. There are options for business analytics dashboards, marketing reports, sales trackers, fitness progress boards, financial overviews, and so much more. Take your time browsing through the options. Choose one that fits your style and the data you want to showcase. Think about your audience too. A corporate presentation might need a clean, professional look, while a personal project dashboard can be more creative and colorful. Click Customize this template to open the editor. This is where you'll bring your dashboard to life. Here you can add your own data, adjust charts, change colors, fonts, and visuals to match your brand or personal style. When working with data visualization, clarity is key. Use contrasting colors for different data sets and make sure your most important metrics stand out. Canva's drag and drop tools make rearranging elements effortless, so don't be afraid to experiment with different layouts. You can easily edit charts and graphs by clicking on them. Update the values, change chart types from bar graphs to pie charts or line graphs, and adjust the data ranges. Everything is customizable to fit your specific needs. Focus on highlighting the key points so your dashboard is not only informative but visually appealing. Use icons and visual elements to represent different categories. Canva has thousands of free icons you can search for and add instantly. Follow the rule of thirds by placing your most important data points in strategic positions where the eye naturally goes first. Also, use white space effectively. Don't overcrowd your dashboard. A clean, organized layout is much more impactful than cramming in too much information. Consider adding color-coded sections for different categories, progress bars to show completion or goals, comparison charts to highlight trends, summary boxes with key takeaways or highlights. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more Canva tips and productivity hacks. Once done, your dashboard is ready to impress. Perfect for presentations, reports, or sharing with your team. You can download it as a PDF for professional reports, as a PNG for high-quality images, or even as an interactive presentation. Use Canva's sharing options to collaborate with team members in real time. Or set up viewing permissions if you want to control who can edit versus who can only view your dashboard. You can also set up your dashboard as a template that you update regularly, perfect for weekly reports or monthly tracking. Just duplicate your design and update the data each time you need to refresh it. And that's it. Turn your data into a clean, professional, and eye-catching dashboard in just a few clicks. The beauty of using Canva is that you can update these dashboards anytime, create multiple versions for different audiences, and maintain a consistent professional look across all your reports. Remember, great data visualization doesn't just inform, it tells a story and drives decisions. So make your dashboards work as hard as your data does. If this video helped you level up your dashboard game, hit that like button, drop a comment below sharing what kind of dashboard you're creating, and make sure you're subscribed for more design tutorials and productivity tips. Happy designing, and I'll catch you in the next video.